Good afternoon, students. Today we study Unit 2, Lecture 2, Organic Chemistry. Reactions of Grignard reagent. 2 moles of Grignard reagent on treatment with formyl ester in presence of dry ether gives a complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives secondary alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. So here in the first reaction you are seeing formyl ester reacts with CH3 MgBr. This is Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. In the presence of ether, you are getting a complex HCCH3 OMgBr OC2H5. Here again, next on hydrolysis, you are getting acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde again reacts with second mole of CH3 MgBr, that is Grignard reagent. Then we will get a complex is formed. Then hydrolysis, we are getting isopropyl alcohol. This isopropyl alcohol is the secondary alcohol. So in the reaction of Grignard reagent, we are preparing isopropyl alcohol as secondary alcohol. Then next reaction, 2 moles of Grignard reagent on treatment with methyl ester in presence of dry ether gives a complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives tertiary butyl alcohol. Here in the first reaction we are seeing methyl ester in the presence of CH3 MgBr. This is first mole of Grignard reagent on treatment in the presence of dry ether. We are getting a addition compound, a complex is formed, which on hydrolysis we are getting acetone. This acetone again reacts with second mole of Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether. We are getting again once more a addition compound or a complex compound we are getting. Then on hydrolysis we are getting tertiary butyl alcohol. So in this reaction, if you are getting methyl ester, if you are taking formyl ester, you are preparing secondary alcohol. Here you are using methyl ester, so it is tertiary butyl alcohol is formed. Next reaction, ethylene oxide on reaction with Grignard reagent gives primary alcohol, a propyl alcohol. So CH2O CH2, this is a triangular compound ethylene oxide on treatment with CH3 MgI. We are getting CH3 CH2 CH2 OMg, which on hydrolysis gives CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. This is primary alcohol. So we have prepared here secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, primary alcohol also. Example is propyl alcohol. We are prepared from ethylene oxide on the reaction with Grignard reagent. Then reactions of again continued reactions of Grignard reagent. You are preparation of aldehyde and ketone. Grignard reagent on reaction with hydrogen cyanide in presence of dry ether gives an complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives aldehyde, while alkyl cyanide gives ketone, that is acetone. So here seeing in HCN, HC triple bond N, this is hydrogen cyanide plus CH3 MgI methyl magnesium iodide. In the presence of dry ether, we are getting a complex is formed, which on hydrolysis we are getting CH3 CH double bond acetaldehyde plus ammonia. Next, in the second reaction, we are seeing CH3 bond C triple bond N. This is methyl cyanide. CH3CN is methyl cyanide in the presence of Grignard reagent. CH3 MgI dry ether, we are getting a complex, which on hydrolysis we are getting acetone. This is acetone is there, which is a ketone here is formed. So preparation of aldehyde and ketone we are taking place in the with reaction with Grignard reagent. If hydrogen cyanide is used, we are getting aldehyde. If methyl cyanide is used, we are getting ketone. Acetone is formed. Then Grignard reagent on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of dry ether gives an complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives ketone or acetone. Acyl chloride, acyl means RCO, is acyl group chloride. CH3 bond C double bond O Cl. CH3CO is acyl and here chloride. Acyl chloride in the presence of CH3 MgBr. Grignard reagent in the presence of dry ether, we are getting a complex, which on hydrolysis we are getting ketone, that is here you are getting acetone. So Grignard reagent on reaction with acyl chloride in presence of dry ether, we are getting a complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives ketone or acetone. So from Grignard reagent we can prepare aldehyde and also ketone. Then preparation of carboxylic acid. Grignard reagent on reaction with carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is dry ice. In presence of dry ether gives an complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid, acetic acid. O double bond C double bond O, that is carbon dioxide. In the presence of dry ice, CH3 Mgi, methyl magnesium iodide, dry ether, you are getting a complex, which on hydrolysis you are getting CH3COOH. This is acetic acid. So preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. In the presence of dry ice, Grignard reagent, in the presence of dry ice you are getting a complex, and you are preparing acetic acid by the from Grignard reagent. So here we have prepared aldehyde, ketone, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, ketone, and also carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Then preparation of primary amine. Chloramine on reaction with Grignard reagent gives methylamine. CH3 Mgi, methyl magnesium iodide, in the presence of chloramine, Cl bond NH2. Ammonia is NH3. When one hydrogen is removed and chlorine is coming, then it is chloramine, gives methylamine plus MgICl. So from Grignard reagent you can prepare amines also. CH3NH2 is primary amine. CH3 Mgi, in the presence of chloramine you are getting methylamine. Next, preparation of alkyl cyanide. Grignard reagent on reaction with chlorocyanide gives methyl cyanide. CH3 Mgi, this is Grignard reagent, chlorocyanide. RCN is there. So in the presence of R there is Cn. So chlorocyanide. Then you can prepare CH3 bond C triple bond N, methyl cyanide. So from Grignard reagent, in the presence of alkyl cyanide you can prepare methyl cyanide. So Grignard reagent on reaction with chlorocyanide gives methyl cyanide. Next, preparation of ester. Chloroformic ester on reaction with Grignard reagent gives ethyl acetate. CH3 Mgi is Grignard reagent, ClCOOC2H5. This is chloroformic ester. HCOOC2H5 is formic ester. So H is removed and Cl is there. So chloroformic ester, ClCOOC2H5. Chloroformic ester on reaction with Grignard reagent you are getting ethyl acetate. CH3COO is acetate, C2H5 is ethyl group. CH3COOC2H5, this is ethyl acetate plus MgICl. So with Grignard reagent we can also prepare ester. Then preparation of thioacetic acid. This is thioacetic acid, now THIO, that is thioacetic acid. Grignard reagent on reaction with carbon disulfide in presence of dry ether gives N complex, which on acid hydrolysis gives thioacetic acid. So HS double bond C double bond S, this is thio group, thioacetic acid. So CH3 Mgi, this is Grignard reagent. In the presence of dry ether you are getting a complex. Then on hydrolysis we are getting dithioacetic acid, CH3 bond C double bond S double bond S. This is dithioacetic acid. So we can also prepare dithioacetic acid from Grignard reagent. Thank you.